Hello everyone, welcome back to Arcalab. In our last video, we downloaded the Arcalab keywords template. Today, we'll explore reliable resources for stable diffusion and learn how to use them. Checkpoints. Checkpoints in stable diffusion are pre-trained neural networks that produce images, also referred to as models or checkpoint files. The type of images a model can generate is determined by the data it was trained on. You can obtain different checkpoints from third-party sources such as civitai.com or Hugging Face. We should acquire some architecture-specific models for our use. Once the download is complete, we can easily integrate these models into the stable diffusion by placing them in the model folder within stable diffusion and pasting them there. Some of the best checkpoints for architecture visualization are DV-Arch Multi-Prompt, Architecture Realmix, Architecture SD Lite, Arcalab Realistic, Curved Architecture. There are numerous checkpoints available for you to download and explore. LoRa models. Low-rank adaptation. LoRa is a training method employed to fine-tune stable diffusion models. LoRa models are notably more compact compared to checkpoint models, typically ranging from 10 to 100 times smaller, with sizes usually falling between 1 MB and 200 MB. The primary purpose of LoRa models is to introduce novel concepts into pre-existing models, encompassing subjects or styles. By doing so, these models can craft distinct images by encapsulating the unique styles and attributes of the images they were trained on. We'll begin by downloading a few LoRa models from civitai.com and inserting them directly into the stable diffusion within the models folder under the LoRa subfolder. Be sure to consult the documentation on the relevant page for guidance regarding the triggered word. In the upcoming video, we will see how to train our own architecture LoRa models, so stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Embeddings or textual inversion. Embeddings, also referred to as textual inversion, are compact files that encompass supplementary concepts that can be incorporated into your foundational model. These concepts might include a pose, an artistic style, a texture, and more. You can obtain embeddings from either the official Hugging Face website or Civitai. When using Civitai, you'll need to apply filters to locate and obtain the desired embeddings. Once the download is complete, you can then insert these embeddings directly into the stable diffusion, specifically within the embedding folder. Upscaler. The default image size in stable diffusion V1 is 512 pixels, which is relatively modest by today's standards. To enhance the image quality produced by stable diffusion, an AI image upscaler like ESRGAN is an invaluable tool. In fact, it's so widely utilized that many stable diffusion guides come with integrated support. You can obtain upscaling models from both Civitai and Hugging Face, then insert them into the ESRGAN folder. Now that you've obtained our Arcalab keywords template, let's delve into a useful resource for discovering top-notch prompts, civitai.com. Here's what you can do. Enter your keywords, head to the image section, and select an image that catches your eye. On the right corner, you'll find valuable information about the AI model, its prompts, how the sampling works, and even the CFG settings and seed value. This is an excellent starting point for your creative journey. In our upcoming video, we'll delve into the control net, one of the most widely used extensions for AI image generation. If you like this video, please do subscribe and comment down your thoughts.